Hello guys, today I got the new Tribit xsound Go Bluetooth speaker from the Tribit, and the company claimed that it is IPX7 waterproof, so you can dip into the water. There is no issue with that. So today we will check whether it will survive or not. So let's play some music first. As you can see, it's working fine without any issue. Again, I am going to dip into the water. This is the IO compartment. Make sure you have to close the IO compartment before dipping into the water. The sound is very good. It has lots of bass and very crisp. I have also JBL Flip 5, but it was not that much crisp like this one. So that's it for the video, guys.